Hi everyone. We've all heard the buzz about AI agents, but most people are still stuck manually prompting ChatGPT. Today, I'm going to show you how to move from chat to automation. We are building a fully autonomous AI agent using n8n. By the end of this video, you'll see how an agent can monitor your communications, make decisions, and execute tasks across your entire tech stack without you lifting a finger. It's about moving from tools to employees. We're going to dive deep into the brain, memory, and tools that make these agents possible. Ready to build your first autonomous employee? Let's get into the canvas and start automating. Before we jump into the canvas, let's define what an AI agent actually is. Unlike a standard automation, which is a linear if this, then that chain, an AI agent uses a large language model as a reasoning engine. It has a goal, it has tools, and it has memory. These three elements are what transform a chatbot into an agent. In n8n, we use the AI agent node to orchestrate these three elements into a single, cohesive workflow. Think of it as a digital employee that can read a request, decide which tool to use, and check its own work. It doesn't just follow rules, it reasons through the problem to find the best path to the goal. This means your automations can handle edge cases and unexpected inputs that would break a traditional flow. The power comes from the LLM's ability to understand natural language and context, just like a human would. Whether it's triaging emails or managing a sales pipeline, the agent acts as the conductor of your tech stack. Now that we know the what, let's head into the n8n canvas and build the how. Now, let's open AI and the meta. The heart of our workflow is the AI agent node. This is where the magic starts. We start by placing the AI agent node. Notice how it has several connection points for models and tools. First, we connect our brain. In this case, we're using OpenAI's GPT-4o. This provides the reasoning power. You can choose different models depending on your needs, but GPT-4o offers a great balance of speed and intelligence. Next, we give it memory. We'll attach a window buffer memory node so the agent remembers the context. Without memory, the agent would treat every interaction as a brand new conversation. This keeps it on track. Finally, the most important part, the instructions. This is where we define the agent's identity and mission. We tell the agent, you are a senior operations assistant. We are giving it a clear persona to follow. Your goal is to analyze incoming Slack messages and determine if they require a database entry or a direct response. By being specific, we ensure the agent doesn't get distracted and stays focused on its core responsibilities. Once the instructions are set, our brain is ready. It knows who it is and what it needs to accomplish. But a brain without hands can't do much. That's why our next step is adding the tools it needs to interact. In the next section, we'll connect our agent to the outside world. Using the powerful integrations in n8n, we're building a bridge between reasoning and action. It's the difference between thinking and doing. Let's get those hands ready. It's time to give our agent the tools it needs to execute. An agent without tools is just a chatbot. In n8n, we can turn any node into a powerful tool for the agent. We're going to give our agent two tools today. Tool 1, a Google Sheets node to read and write rows. Tool 2, a Slack node to send messages. These are the primary ways our agent will interact with the team. When a message comes in, the LLM looks at its available tools and decides which one is the best fit. The agent says, aha, this is a sales lead. I should use the Google Sheets tool to log this information. Then, I'll use the Slack tool to notify the team about the new win. It's all about contextual decision-making. We provide a clear description for each tool, so the agent knows exactly what the tool does and when to call it. This metadata is key. It's like giving your employee a manual for every software they have access to. The agent can also check the tool's output. If the Google Sheet update fails, the agent can try again or notify you. This level of autonomy is what separates automation from delegation. You are truly delegating the process. The possibilities are endless. You can add research tools, coding tools, or even custom internal APIs. As you grow, your agent's capabilities can grow with you. Just plug in more tools and update the instructions. Think of n8n as the ultimate workshop where you build and equip your autonomous AI team. With our tools connected and instructions set, it's time to put everything to the test in a live environment. Are you ready to see the agent in action? Let's move to the live demo and watch it reason in real time. The message will trigger the workflow and the agent will take over from there. Let's see it happen. Behind the scenes, the LLM is processing the text and mapping it to the tools we provided just moments ago. It's not just matching keywords, it's understanding the intent behind the message to ensure accuracy. This bridge between conversation and action is the core of the AI revolution in business operations. Imagine the time saved when your routine tasks are handled by a system that never sleeps or misses a detail. You can monitor everything from the dashboard, ensuring full transparency and control over your agent. What used to take hours of manual data entry and Slack messaging now happens in mere seconds. Let's stop talking and start showing. It's time for the live demo. Let's see it in action. I'm sending a message in Slack. Hey, we just closed a deal with Acme Corp for $5,000. Notice the natural language format. I didn't use any special commands. Watch the n8n execution. The trigger node lights up instantly, passing the text straight to the AI agent. The agent receives the text and begins its reasoning process. It identifies the company name and the deal amount. Aha! It identifies the goal. It logs the information into our master sheet using the tool we provided. Next, it moves to the second tool. It formats a summary and pings the hash sales wins channel. Look at that. A perfectly formatted summary appears in Slack, notifying the entire team in real time. And if we check the spreadsheet, there it is, logged, categorized, and ready for our sales report. It didn't follow a rigid, predefined path. It reasoned its way to the solution based on the input it received. This is the power of agentic workflows. The system adapts to the data rather than the other way around. The entire execution took less than 5 seconds. No manual entry, no copy-pasting, and zero room for human error. You can go back to focusing on high-level strategy while your agent handles the operational heavy lifting. And remember, this is just one agent. You can build entire teams of these agents working together. This is how you scale your operations without scaling your headcount. It's the future of work happening now. We've covered a lot today, but we're just getting started. Let's wrap up with some next steps. This is just the tip of the iceberg. With n8n and AI agents, the complexity of tasks you can automate is limitless. You can build agents for research, customer support, or even automated coding. Your imagination is the only limit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI orchestration. It really helps the channel. Subscribe to AI Product Talk, and let's get into the deep dive of how AI is changing our business world.